Hello, good morning, guys. How are you? Are you great? I'm glad. Okay, guys, let's see. Is today Monday? Tuesday? Wednesday? Thursday? Today is Thursday. Let's see what we have to do today. Okay, we are going to answer page 18 on our booklet, activity 15. Okay, it says, rain, rain. Read and trace the song and color the pictures. Lee y traza la canción y colorea las imágenes. Okay, it says, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And we say, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And then you can see the girl and the little toy, the little puppet. And then the mom with an umbrella and the rain is there. So to saying, hey, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play with me, okay? So, if you want to hear the song, right here you have a link and you can click right there and go into the song. You can practice the song all day. For today, you just have to trace this. If you want to color it, you can color it and then just sing along, ¿ok? Nada más tienes que remarcar las palabras de esta canción, la coloreas y si presionas en este link que viene aquí abajo, te va a llevar directo a la canción para que cantes todo el día y también la podamos usar en clases. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, teacher wants to play, rain, rain, go away, ¿ok? Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. Take care at home. If you go out, please wear your mask. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. See you on tomorrow. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, guys.